Yo, what's up guys? So today's gonna be a super special day. It's gonna be super exciting. We get to put all this junk laying on the table, all of this, all these wires, all these lights, and we get to finish up this bumper and stop working on it. So it's a project that I've been working on for like a month and it's time to finish it. So we're gonna get it finished today, and stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Gonna be fog lights.
You can't tell me the deck is stacked. You can't whisper behind my back. You can't show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now, can't stop me now. And my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. You can't stop me now, can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going.
All right, LED pods are in, all 4 of them. I think we're gonna connect these 2 to the light bar. And then these 2 are gonna be fog lights, and they're gonna be amber. But it's time for the winch.
Oh, I paid the dearest price. And no shortcuts here for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now, can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going.
All right, so we got the winch mounted into the bumper. It's looking actually pretty neat. And love the red and the gray together. So this is what it's gonna look like on the truck. All right, what's up, dog? So we're gonna get it on the vehicle. Stay tuned and keep watching. All right, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. Back the big tree out of here, but when we put it up to the car last night, these right here were pretty much hitting everything in the front, the fan, couple lines. Also, if this spools up, you know, all in one spot, it would only take a couple times on a couple bolts in the back for it to just, you know, start to shred and be done for. So all right, so big change of plans. Instead of spacing it out, we actually took the condenser fan off, flipped it over, then we cut a couple holes right in here. Now we're gonna have to do some more stuff. We're not lined up here either.
No, I'm not.
We also got these AC lines completely moved out of the way right here. I got it back behind this piece right here. Don't even have to think about it again. It's going to be completely out of the way. These lines are already out of the way. They sit below the winch plate, so we don't have to worry about that. But we're gonna get it done. All right, back with an update on the winch. So everything is fully in, bumpers back on where we need it to be. Got a little bit more of a little space here, so it's not rubbing so much. The big problem was this fan was too low, so we made it fit, made everything work. Looks really awesome. Thanks from the help of Paul. Next thing is just wiring everything up. I'll wire this back up to the wiring harness, and then wire the winch back up, and then figure out a spot for the power box to go. So this box is going to go under the hood somewhere. I'm thinking either right here, probably going to be right here, or try and make it work down in here somewhere. Or maybe there's 3 options. Maybe right here on the side of the battery, because it looks pretty factory right there, and it's also really easy to get to this plug, which is the controller plug if my wireless stuff ever goes out. So we'll catch you back up with an update after that. I'll film a little bit of the wiring stuff, but it's kind of boring. I know you don't like to watch that, so catch you then. All right, back with an update. So we're wiring up the winch right now. I'm wiring mine to a switch so that it doesn't just drain my battery when I'm not going to use it. I can turn it on and off. Biggest reason, or a lot of complaints that I see from people about these switches is like, you don't want to accidentally not turn it on and be stuck in a hole and have to get out and turn the switch. But if you just remember right before you get on the trail, any kind of trail, just turn it on. You don't have to worry about it. Also, we're running everything down through here. We drilled a hole right through here, running everything down this way, and then straight down, and then the bumper is going to go on, and it should get wired up, and then we're going to run into every other problem here in a second. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Last night we finished up putting the bumper on, winch and everything's in, all the lights are done. You saw that in the little lapse, the time lapse. This morning I'm just gonna tidy up some wires, zip tie some stuff up, just kind of clean all this area up because it just kind of looks bad. And then I'm gonna hook it up to a tree. I'm gonna unspool the whole thing, get that synthetic rope really tight on that spool, and I also want to see how good it works. So I'm gonna tidy this stuff up, and then I'll catch you when I'm hooked up to a tree mid-pull. All right, so we are spooling out the winch right now. We're gonna go all the way up to this tree up here. Hopefully it'll reach. If not, I'll just pull the truck up. But this is gonna be test number 1 of actually using the winch. We already know it works, but we're gonna see how awesome it is. There it is. All right, so what is that, about 50 feet? All right, so there you have it, folks. Winch is spooled up, works great. Pulled this 75 feet. I really just wanted to get it really tight on the spool, so I'm not bunching up anywhere, but man, it looks absolutely awesome. Can't be happier with it. I want to thank my dad for really helping me out on this. Got a couple other things to do. I scraped some stuff up here, got to repaint some stuff, but man, other than that, couldn't be happier with it. So appreciate you watching. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, whatever you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.